The first thing I'm going to try is this Cosmedix Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. The application process says apply a generous amount to clean damp skin, massage onto skin using a circular motion, leave on skin for 10 to 15 minutes, and then gently rinse with warm water and pat dry. Follow with serums and moisturizers. Can be used up to 3 times per week or as tolerated. Now this does have a little warning, sun sensitivity. Please wear sunscreen when using this product as it contains ingredients that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun. So I will be sure to apply some sunscreen today because I am going to be going out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to leave on the mask for about 10-15 minutes, and then I will be back with pretty much a full face of makeup. Oh, and PS, this Cosmedix Detox Charcoal Mask retails for 30 bucks. I'm guessing this is more of a luxurious high-end brand. Huh, that's kind of expensive, and this tube is really thin. You're only getting 1.3 ounces, and for the amount that I use, I feel like you would go through this really quick. My concealer is on, so let's try this, the Powder Room. First of all, the packaging on Pretty Vulgar is always super cute. Oh, look at this little pom-pom. This is the cutest thing. Okay, I'm going to use this because I typically don't use these, but it's cute, so I'm going to use her. Now, I know that you can use this one to set your entire face. I don't know that I want to do that because I typically don't set my entire face with like loose powders like this. So I'm just going to use it for underneath my eyes, and again I'm going to use that little puff that it comes with. I'm going to use a generous amount. I like that powder. I don't feel like my under eyes are too dry. I don't feel like my skin is too dry. Sometimes some powders take all the oil away from your skin, and this one set my skin, but it's not overly dry. So I'm definitely going to use this a lot more. I think I'm going to set this on my vanity because this is pretty. I'm going to go in with the lip liner. This is the Bodyography Timber Lip Pencil. Now, this one retails for $12. It is a vegan, cruelty-free lip pencil with antioxidants. It is infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. This smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. Now, for the gloss, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shimmering Lip Paint. This is a sheer lip gloss that is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high finish shine. This reflective glitter gloss can stand alone or as a lip topper, giving your lips a fuller look. The sunflower seed wax and mineral pigments coat, soothe, and soften the lips. This retails for $20. Ooh, this is so pretty. Wow, I don't think I own any lip topper like this. This is such a pretty lip combo. I actually really like this lip liner. It's more of a mauvey brown, and then the gloss has like pink and purple and gold reflex. It's just, oh, it's absolutely stunning. So that is it. The last thing that we got in our box was this PYT mini hair straightener. So it says, get those pesky and baby hairs, straighten those bangs, or touch up your curls on the go with this incredibly adorable PYT mini straightener. The floating ceramic plates adjust as you style, allowing you to create straight, wavy, or curly locks. This little guy reaches a maximum temperature of 400 degrees. So I actually have tested this out already. My little girl has bangs, and I tried it on her, and it works so well. It's really good for like really small hairs. I don't have any really small hairs to try it with, I guess, with these, but my hair is already straight, so there's no point really in showing you. But I do like it. She was like, Mom, can I keep this? And I was like, no, this is mine. It does work, and I don't know how often I will use it, me personally, but I know that I will use it on my little girl for her bangs, so I really appreciate this. This one retails for $75. Hey Google, what's 20 plus 12 plus 32 plus 30 plus 75?
The answer is 169.
There you go. So the total value on this month's Boxycharm is $169, which is way more than what you're paying for. You guys are only paying $21 for this box. Honestly, is it my favorite box? No, but did I like the products that it came with? Yes. I love the lip liner. I actually really like the lip topper, and the straightener is just perfect. Don't really care for the mask. I'm not a big like masking person. I have my masks that I stick with, and that is it. So thank you guys for joining me today in this Boxycharm unboxing / try on. I hope you guys love your box, and let me know what you guys got, if you guys got anything different. I love you guys, and I will see you on Friday. Mwah. Bye, chicas.